We in the Batmobile. For all my new viewers, because we just started posting long form content, so all my newer viewers, for just so y'all know. Let me show y'all what we're working with performance wise. Just so y'all know. So like I said, we is in a C8 Corvette Z51 Stingray 2LT. Dude got headers, ran me about 1,500. We are not stopped. We got headers ran by 1,500. We got AFE cold air intake. We also got, I hope y'all can see that Valvetrain titanium exhaust. I don't know if y'all can hear me over the exhaust. Valvetrain titanium exhaust with high flow cats. We pushing about 600 to the crank. So I mean, we're doing pretty decent. Like I said, today we ride with with the top off. So we gonna hear all this good 600 horsepower. No, yeah. But I ain't gonna talk y'all here though. Like I said, we're in the Batmobile. It is currently 10:01. Let's get straight to it. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I really don't know where the hell we finna go. But we just finna cruise around, see if we can run into some shit. Catch us a op. Like in the summer, I'm gonna roll through crack these ones just a little bit too. Cause I really want to remake this video in Birmingham too. Cause Birmingham, for y'all that don't know, that's where I'm from right now. I'm about an hour away from Birmingham. But Birmingham, that's where I'm from. So I know all the spots to go to, and then Birmingham, that's where we really run into some shit. Out in Birmingham, we'll fuck around and run into a goddamn. We'll fuck around and run into a Hellcat in traffic, you know what I'm saying? But for now, we riding to see it. But y'all finna see me ride past like 2-3 gas stations. I don't know where y'all from, I don't know about y'all, but you wanna go to certain gas stations. You can't be bullshitting at no any gas station. I got like 3 gas stations that I go to. I don't give a fuck, I'm on the other side of the city again. I don't give a fuck if I'm on the other side of the city, I ain't gonna lie. I got them 3 gas stations that I go to. I run out of gas trying to get to my gas station, I ain't gonna lie. Shit. Partner said, "What the fuck is DJ Glow?" Niggas be funny as hell. I started some shit with that shit on, bro. Turn my shit back on. Got that bitch running. What the fuck on? 12 out here tonight. They low-key scaring me, I ain't gonna lie. I'm out here trying to cut up. I don't even want to do what I want to do. bro. Go ahead. You turn a little, bro. I don't even want to do what I want to do. They scam me, no y'all. 12 out here. Me. I ain't been on this bitch since I graduated. Bro. I don't even trying to come here where that's the stadium though. Goddamn acoustics out this bitch. This just sound good as hell, bro. Shit. Y'all, it's July. Yeah. Cruise right through this motherfucker. Damn. Folks out there who driving ain't got no headlights. Y'all had dangerous as hell. Shit through that tank. Damn, that shit sound I'm not finna go down there cause 12 definitely be sitting down this way. Bro, I'm finna turn my dumb ass slap around. I'm not even finna play like that. Hear the sirens down that way. I just told y'all, bro. I just told y'all. Damn, I'm right in front of the fucking ambulance, man. Nigga, you supposed to pull to the right when the ambulance come. Right, goofy as hell. Got some love from one of the 5-0 boys. I ain't gonna lie, that about the first time we got some love from 5-0 since I've been in this motherfucker, for real. I ain't gonna count. It's like it's another 5-0 too. No, that ain't another 5-0. Let's see what's going on. Shit, for real, that motherfucker look good, though. Motherfucker, you put that bitch in neutral. Little quick 0 to 60. Put this bitch in drive.